What's cracking, YouTube game members? Welcome back to CTV, where the limit is infinite, the grind running across the sky. And don't forget to like, comment, and glide to that subscribe button. This your boy King, aka the man with the plan for the land.
I'm Daryus P and we back with some more Jujutsu Kaisen episode number 6.
Yes, sir.
And last episode, my boy Itadori got his heart took out from his own self.
Yo, let's say Sukuna took his heart off. I gave him the chess moves like, alright, I got something for you. You know you can take over anytime you want to, but you take over, your ass gonna die.
I got your heart now.
And the reason he even came back because Sukuna was gonna kill Guru. And when the Guru finally let his feelings out to him, I really hope.
My boy said, "You not killing nobody." Boy actually came out knowing that he was gonna die.
Smiling like that.
When they weren't even supposed to be there. You done seen these new young ass recruits.
No one. And you know what? You know that special grade had all the reason he was special grade because he had soup in the finger.
Yeah, he did.
I want like they plant that bitch. The elderly. I want they planted that air
just so Itadori can get killed.
Just so they can send their ass over there. Then they had Gojo always
across the world somewhere on another mission. Because they knew if you, yeah, man, you probably hit me on the head right then.
That's why, hey, Gojo mad, but he like, he'll kill everybody.
He'll kill all the elders, all the councilmen, everybody, the senators.
Hey, what's great is, he was dead ass serious, like, this should be a breeze. Like, I know I can do it. It's like going, I don't go to Walmart, just know I can do it.
Just got you, yeah.
That shit, yo, I'm like, bro, we gotta see Gojo fight like a real
like
fight.
somebody that can actually fight on back.
If anybody
or it's not even halfway his or if you would have been there when what's name had took over,
yeah.
Not because he don't want Itadori to die. So I don't think he would have killed him. Like,
man, it's like Gojo need to be in he's like he a anime character, overpowered anime character.
Yeah.
Different anime. And they put him in the regular ass anime, he just super overpowered, bro.
You need to see him different to see him fight somebody. I mean, he can't kill him though. Like, you can kill him.
But he will play him. He said on that man. What you talking about? Hold on.
That was Itadori. I'm talking about he can't like slice him. Like if he fought him for real, like he can't like try to kill him. Like Itadori.
Are you talking about fight Superman?
Yeah. When he take over his body. But I wonder if he even got his.
Oh, he said it. He said, yeah, he said it. We gonna kill him. Like we can't handle it.
Oh yeah, we'll have to kill you.
So at that point, he ain't gonna be Itadori no more. He too far gone if he can't.
If he take it back over, yeah.
But yeah, we seen my boy Guru and I'm about to fuck up my name. Nope, tomorrow.
Something like that.
It's Nobar.
I think you got it right.
Bar. Yeah, it was kind of like he asked about her like man, you don't feel no type of way about you doing that. And she like, bro, you know that man. I ain't know for real. I think she was just put on the front.
I mean, she did just meet him, but still, y'all wouldn't have did it together.
And he saved you.
Yeah.
I just realized she keep getting saved too.
Yeah, she did save her.
But I don't know. I guess
what she saying, little boy?
Itadori saying, no, she was gonna give up. So she was like beat. She was gonna get Itadori punch through the wall. And then this one, she was beating him. She just was unprepared. She had no legs.
And then the little boy was finna die.
Yeah, so I don't know. And we also met the I want to say, I guess they call it the second class for the
I think that was just before them though.
Yeah, they needed the. Is this the third class or first? I'm talking about Ichidori.
I don't know what class they is.
Ichidori.
Them ones they older than them though.
I think that was third class. I think Itadori is third
class, and that's the second.
And that's the second class. But they needed him for that some little event. But it was gonna be first class and the second class. But something happened to the first class, so we got to use the third class. That's how we get the second class. With the founder, dude, and how girl,
Them the ones that should have went to that the special grade. They probably would have died too.
Yo, they say only Gojo can.
Yeah,
Really fuck with
he the one.
He probably could that bitch. If Sukuna did him like that,
Yeah.
he probably could that bitch too easy.
Alright, anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into this next episode.
Yes, Sirski.
You're being awfully hostile, aren't you?
You got that right. Do you expect kindness after you murdered me?
So that's the thanks I get for helping you on.
Is this hell? I'm not crazy about being stuck with you for eternity.
You gonna throw that bitch?
But I'll make it work. And you'll pay!
Oh, he got him up.
Boy threw a skull at him.
I hope you're ready for this!
Yo,
My boy ain't heard about the time period, about the train.
we punch the ground.
He's
He's gonna.
aiming for where I
You
stood.
fell for it!
Yeah. Your brain better be too
You're
fast.
just so predictable.
Not here. They made him a cartoon this morning.
I'm sure I landed that one perfectly.
Did?
No, you didn't.
Damn it.
This isn't the afterlife.
He fell
This
on
place is my innate domain.
Innate domain?
If you'll accept my conditions, I'll fix your heart and bring us both back to life.
Act like you're doing me a favor. I know you don't want to die either.
But the situation has changed.
But he got more what's
very
names out there though.
I have just 2 conditions. Number 1 is whenever I chant the word extension, you'll surrender your body to me for 1 minute. 2, you'll
1
completely
minute.
forget you made this promise.
You gonna kill the whole world in 1 minute.
During that minute, I won't kill or injure anyone. Is that enough to address your concerns?
Supposed to believe.
I mean,
Loser.
you gonna keep your
I
word?
never believe you!
How you gonna keep your
It's
word?
not about whether you believe me or not. This is a pact, a gesh. I'll be the one punished if I break it.
Oh.
So it's like on the condition.
A pact founded in mutual interest. That's one of the key factors behind all jujutsu.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, so you can't break it.
Get off me
Alright.
already. I'll accept your conditions.
So he back.
Just
Right,
that it
yeah.
means I'll come back
Hurting
to life.
somebody and injuring them. Ooh.
Put the book at his ass.
I'd never accept that.
Injuring and hurting somebody are 2 different things.
It's all thanks to you I died
I can
in
punch
the
you
first
in the
place.
face, but you ain't gonna be injured.
Well, how about this then? We'll fight to the death and I'll do it without conditions if you defeat me. But if I win, then you live only under my 2 conditions.
Yeah, I'll kick your ass for...
Oh my god! I wasn't yell. That's all he needed to hear.
Yeah.
Over with.
Deeply flawed personality.
Yeah.
I want to reset that garbage jujutsu world. Murdering all the fools at the top would be an easy task. No fix, because they'd all just get replaced and then there'd be no revolution. Plus, if I did that, no one would want to follow me.
Gotta cut out the head.
Yeah.
That's
But
why I
you're
chose
right, they ain't gonna
education
follow you.
instead.
He did
Hey,
about
you
each
two.
other.
I'm going to get started. Are you gonna watch from there?
What the on what?
Bro was like a zombie.
Whoa, where are my clothes?
Gojo! He's alive!
Big Gojo, he happy as hell.
I'm a little bummed.
Yeah, well, it's embarrassing, but who are you?
Hey, Yuji.
Huh?
Welcome back.
Yuji.
Yo, well, thanks.
So this is his first name? Yuji Itadori.
Yuji Itadori.
Yo. So I call it that. Yuji.
I need you to just leave him listed as deceased on the records.
Oh.
So, you're going to keep Itadori hidden away?
Yeah.
No, I'll have him back in time for the exchange event.
Why?
The reason is simple. No one can be allowed to take the events of youth away from the young people they're designed for.
Okay. That's kind of smart. So the elders out there
Not
trying to set him up, get
Trying to-
killed.
If they think he dead, then they ain't gonna be going after him.
Let up off him.
But I can't fight my survival instincts. And I know if I go near that table, I'll die.
Of course, a strong instinct. Can feel
I
it.
wonder, could we kill him if we joined forces?
No. He'd either flutter out of your grasp, or in the worst case, you'd all get exercised. I would recommend you pour your energy into
They talking about
sealing
jumping
him rather
Gojo.
than
Yeah,
killing him.
he said nope.
How?
I'll go and hurry him up. He's taking up a whole table.
Don't do that.
I'm sorry, boss, but I quit.
Hey, you come back here!
My boy just quit in the middle of the shield.
That horrible thing!
He can feel it.
Relax, Jogo, or you'll overheat the place.
How are you, sir? Have you decided?
Oh!
Instantly.
Oh, I'm out.
Combustion.
I wish you wouldn't cause such a commotion, Jogo.
Oh, this is nothing.
He just burned my
Shit. What just burning everybody up?
Talk about evil. Everybody but her.
Glad we didn't choose finer dining.
Where you going? She didn't fail.
How strong am I in terms of Sukuna's fingers?
As a conservative estimate, I'd say 8 or 9 fingers.
Yeah?
8.
That's
Oh!
Give me the prison realm. I'll add it to my
You
collection.
strong then.
This man strong as
I
hell.
promise you.
The man said 8 or 9 fingers.
Gojo.
Damn. Okay. I want to see who fight Gojo then. What's up? He just said I can kill Gojo. Well, he think he can.
But the man just
He said
told
8
y'all
or
that
9
all 4
fingers.
of y'all couldn't even beat Gojo.
And that's crazy because he knew his. Unless he didn't know how powerful he was.
By the time we
Yeah.
arrived,
Oh, he
the
just
sun
showed him how
was
powerful he
already
was,
dead.
probably.
I'm sorry.
I guess.
As a sorcerer, what kind of people do you want to save?
Huh? What difference should it make to me whether my actions save anyone at all?
I knew I shouldn't have asked you.
Yeah.
What?
To learn to do next is control cursed energy. And we need to add to your basic knowledge of jujutsu. What's wrong?
Sorry, I'm just
man
happy because
so
I know
happy.
you're the best and you're the one I wanted to have train me.
Hey.
Before, I was too weak and I couldn't save anybody.
Dang.
Worse,
Oh,
I
Bing.
nearly got
What you guru?
Fushiguro.
Ass. Got all
I
about
won't be
that.
able to face them the way I am now. Make me strong.
Still kicking the man through.
Make
across
me into the
buildings.
strongest.
Made me into the strongest. Let's go.
Well, that's me.
All right, well, first take a look at those 2 soda cans over there.
Damn. The man so
This is
fast.
cursed energy, and that's cursed technique.
I see. No, I don't.
Okay.
Don't nobody
Then
see.
think of cursed energy as electricity, and cursed techniques as electrical appliances.
Oh.
Electricity.
All right, so I get to learn a really good curse technique now, huh?
No, you can't use cursed techniques.
Huh?
Cursed techniques are fundamentally etched into your body from the day you're born.
Huh?
So the power of a jujutsu sorcerer is about 80% innate talent. You okay?
Yeah.
Dog.
Sucks big time. I wanted to pull off a spirit gun or a bankai or a Rasengan or a
You just can't
This
use
man
them
said
yet.
Rasengan, and you know what it is?
Sukuna's cursed techniques
It's
are
Naruto.
Against that special grade, I got it to work somehow.
You did.
Then give it a try. Hit me here. Not that I think you can.
Don't blame me if you get hurt.
Come on, hurry up, try it.
They're gonna be somewhere else. He ain't even
That
moving.
So you have to constantly be flipping out in order to use your cursed energy? Well, now that you mention it, Fushiguro's always ticked off. Demon dogs!
Not quite. All students are trained to produce cursed energy using even the faintest sparks of emotion. There are several training methods for this. The one I'm going to use on you is especially exhausting.
Okay, what's that?
Watching movies.
Watching movies?
What?
Cause they do make you emotional. They don't make you show some type of emotion.
Oh, yeah.
Non-stop, as long as you can stay awake. Of course, you won't be watching them all alone. You'll be watching them with
One of
this
them
guy.
things again.
Oh, what's with the cute but creepy doll?
It's cute.
That nigga got a box.
It's another cursed corpse.
From the prince.
That cursed corpse will wake up and attack you just like that, if you don't keep cursed energy flowing into it.
So you gotta keep energy going into, and it's gonna attack you every time you don't.
Where do you want to start? I recommend this one. The heroine's annoying, but she dies gloriously in the end.
Thanks for the spoiler.
This man.
Hey, I know. Let's start with an action adventure.
Yeah.
Ah, come on!
Hey, keep that cursed energy steady.
Carrying cursed.
I'm fine with supplementing close combat
I
with
want to see
weapons.
them spar.
But with my cursed technique, I want to be able to have my hands free. Swords cost you time sheathing and unsheathing them.
Oh, yeah, 'cause he be doing
So
the
Zenith,
hands,
you...
Why did you run?
Kind of a waste of your talents.
Do I have the potential to beat special grades?
What?
Is that what he meant by that?
This is like, why are you running with your talents? Why are you running with your
Huh?
talents?
What's that?
You might just reach into the ground.
Zenin. I think I know how to do it.
To carry weapons? They find Fujiguro for have a sword and shit.
The man just reached into the cement.
I thought, shouldn't it be the opposite?
Chilling with a
It should
soda.
be red. Anyone would go with red.
All right, I'll trust you.
Nah, you come down there and cut that wire.
And she.
Pop this in.
Well, Gojo's gotta get going. So just keep hanging in there.
Where you going,
Is this
bro?
really gonna make me stronger?
You can control the energy 24/7.
Before he repaired your heart, did he suggest any deals or make conditions?
Oh, I think he did say something like that. But I can't remember what it was.
I see.
You must know something.
Yeah. You know he brought you back for a reason, bro.
Yeah, because if he can't kill anybody or hurt anybody or injure anybody,
Thanks. I'll surprise him and show up early for a change.
he should be. He got another plan then.
Stop here.
Huh? Right here?
You go on ahead.
Is this a test or something? You're going to hit me if I drive away without you, aren't you?
He supposed to be mean with somebody. I think the principal or some shit. Or one of the elders. Elderly or whatever. He should start right there and get out.
All right.
Oh, it's old dude.
Oh, him. He sensed him.
Hey.
Let's get it.
See. Who are you then?
Alright, let's go.
Oh,
God, bro. For real.
boy. He supposed to hit us with the crazy.
Okay, though. I stood
Crazy
up there and
thing.
go, bro.
My boy said, hold up. Alright, stop right here. Let me out. If you want to play, you tracking us this whole time. I know you follow us. I know you here. Let me out. He ain't even tell me what's going on.
Damn, bro, for real.
Let me out.
I'm so ready for that shit, boy.
Alright, come on.
Man. Jujutsu Kaisen, bro. Y'all worse Demon Slayer, boy, with that shit.
This is more of a chill episode, but I still dig it.
Yeah, we had a lot of information about how you controlling curse energy. It's a negative, most superior, I guess.
And what is this plan? Like, soccer? Nuh-uh. Let me see it. I can come out, but I can't kill anybody. Yeah, super. I can't kill anybody or injure anybody. Why else would you wanna? Oh, or if you see, maybe he can sense if a finger around or something.
Yeah.
I can come out, make sure I get that finger and eat it immediately.
Yo, they can keep making them stronger.
So like, if I can come out and if I can get that finger and eat it, I'm strong regardless. He said, oh, this is safe. So if
That's a long time, man.
yeah, if it's a finger anywhere, you probably gonna sense it. You're gonna say extension. I'm out. You're gonna grab the finger, eat it. And they both getting stronger. That's the only thing I can see about him.
I figure he's gonna be doing something fishy, like when he switch, probably to talk to somebody, get information. But yeah, I ain't even think of that shit to grab the fingers and eat them hoes and get back.
So if he sent
But they know they boy like 12 fingers. Like, man, how the fuck? Yo, that shit, damn, bro. They really just started the episode right there, bro.
I think we about to get this crazy, epic fight.
Alright, know that shit finna go crazy.
Like, no.
Track
I did look at the timer and see how long I was like, hold up, it's out there.
I sit up there and I was like, it's going crazy. Bro said, yeah, I strong like him back.
Oh, I can't go through it.
Shit, nah,
Five fingers is crazy.
Like this man just so he passed the special grade. Way past.
Way past. How many he ate 2 fingers right now?
I think it's three or 4. You know, he ate one the first episode.
Yeah.
And then Gojo threw him another one. And he was talking to him in that little room. And then Sukuna just ate.
Oh yeah, right then. Yeah.
I think there's 3.
And my boy said he is 8 or 9. I'm gonna say 9. My boy said, that strong comparison? Okay, let me go try.
Pulled up and he's trying to solo Gojo, bro.
So he put him by himself. If you that strong,
he asked me like, if all the game up on the thing, he like, no.
He did tell him that.
He showed him his shrimp, but he ain't really. He wasn't like impressed because it's like regular human killing.
Yeah, and he probably maybe he ain't even the strongest out of them. Like somebody else heard that was there, so he gonna. Those dudes probably like, okay, I'm gonna let him go over there, but he gonna get hurt. And then these two gonna realize how strong Gojo really is, and they gonna listen to me more. That's what I'm guessing is finna happen.
He got a plan. He said something about some type
his curse was super strong and Gojo finna get murked.
He said something like somebody prison.
Oh, that prison box curse. He said. Well, so you gonna use that?
Yeah. So they got a plan, and I think all dudes are trying to kill Gojo.
Or maybe it's part of the plan.
Nah, cause he was like, nobody can beat Gojo. And that's why he asked him like in all those games, boy. Like, no, he's too fucking strong. We just gotta keep him away or some shit.
I think, he really not trying to kill him, but old dude, I don't know his name. He probably know he going, and he probably gonna try to sneak up on him and use that box.
I don't think they said something about keeping him out. I don't think that shit probably controlled. I think they're trying to keep Gojo away or keep him distracted while they attack
they want it.
the other people.
Yeah.
Cause they like Gojo. The only way we can even get close is to kill Gojo.
Yeah, cause they want Sukuna, right? But they trying to kill Itadori or kill?
They trying to get Sukuna.
Yeah.
They trying to get Sukuna to join.
They know they get
So they want to kill all the jujutsu sources and get Sukuna to join them. And they said they first step when their plan B to work, they gotta kill Gojo. Because Gojo alive and he there, they got no chance.
Yeah. My boy really gonna try him by himself. Alright, that's crazy. Alright, y'all. That's gonna be it for this episode. I'm gonna keep traveling where I go. All of them showing up on Gojo. I mean, that would be him to get like 5 minutes. I mean, that's better than going and trying to solo this man. He might be like stupid enough to do. Like he think, you know how you had that one in that group. Well, I'm wrong. He probably thinking, I know how strong Sukuna is, so if I'm 9, there's no way that Gojo is still stronger than me. Sukuna? Yeah. Sukuna fingers? Sukuna the Cursed King, bro. Cursed King. So it's like if I'm that close to him, there's no way. They can't even fathom nobody even stronger than I guess Sukuna. They don't think somebody's close. Let's see. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be it for this episode. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe too. If you got any suggestions, drop them in the comment section. We'll see y'all in the next one.